Alright guys, so in today's video we're going to be stripping all the interior out of here because to me it's just pretty much unnecessary, and I'm in the process of installing my bucket seat right now, and the carpet is just making it more complicated because over here you can see it's really thick and then over here it's really thin, so it's like making everything lopsided, and it just makes it a lot easier if I rip everything out just so I could see where I'm actually bolting up everything and stuff like that. And then when I install the hydro, I'm gonna have to weld like a plate or something right there to install the hydro on top, and the carpet is just gonna get in the way, and I'd rather give this carpet to someone that actually needs it because this carpet is actually pretty nice. It's a little dirty, but you can just clean it, but I'd rather give this carpet to someone that needs it and cares for it. Sorry, this thing's annoying. But at the same time, some of you know, some of you don't, I am planning on caging this truck, so I am gonna have to rip all this out anyways, and there's just no point to try to like cut around in order to fit the roll cage and stuff like that. It's just better just take everything out. It makes everything a lot easier and it looks a lot cleaner at the end of the day, and it's not really for saving any weight because like this center console or right here, that weighs like half a pound, this weighs like a pound. Like, it's just very small stuff. It's not really, I'm not gonna feel a difference, but it's just better to get rid of all of this crap in here that I'm not even gonna be using. And my original plan was to register the truck so I could drive it on the street and, you know, take it to school and stuff like that. But after thinking about it, this truck's gonna be down for a majority of the time just because I'm gonna be doing a lot of work onto it. So it makes no sense to have it registered and pay insurance and everything when I'm not gonna drive it for like months at a time. So some of you know I am going to be planning on doing a C-notch on this, possibly a 4-link, a coilover suspension, coilovers in the front, full roll cage. Everything's going to be on a budget, so if you guys want to see how to do C-notches and 4-links and all that on a budget, like not like some $2,000 equipment, like budget, and still perform good, then I would definitely stick around because I am going to be doing everything on a budget. This truck is a budget truck. I don't want to spend a lot of money into it. I just want to have fun with it. But that's the main reason I'm not going to be registering it, just because it's going to be down for a lot of the time. But yeah, let's just start ripping everything out. Alright guys, so we got both seats out. Those are just temporary. You got the rear seats out right here. This one still has all the panels. I got the rear portion out and the 2 speakers. But on that side I got the little trim piece out right there. Little trim piece right there. Which I'm going to do right here. There's just a bunch of clips. You just gotta not be scared to break them. That's how I was doing it because I didn't care if I broke any because like I don't need any. And surprisingly I didn't break any, but I just like, you see one right there. You just stick a screwdriver here and like pop it really hard and then it like clicks out. But it doesn't break them, so just, I guess just do it at your own will. But yeah, now I just gotta take off the headliner, finish getting this piece out, this piece right here, and then the carpet, and then I think I should be done for today. So I'm debating if I should remove my door cards right now or not. I know in the future I am going to remove them, but I don't know if I'm going to do it right now. These are gray, they're not the original ones for the truck, as you can tell. Everything else is brown, and yeah, all I need is the headliner, these 2, I might even put these back, I don't know, I might not, and the front carpet. I don't know if I'm going to remove the sound deadening, just because of the fact that 1, it doesn't weigh that much, and 2, it's kind of hard to get dry ice where I live, so I don't think I'm going to be removing that, and unless I need to, then I'll like cut a portion out for the roll cage tubing to go right there, but I don't think I'll need to. But yeah, I think I'm going to remove this little boot right here because the hydro is going to be literally next to it, almost touching it, and right now it's touching this, so I'm going to have to probably remove that. Not that that really does anything, it just kind of looks cool to say you got a stick shift, but I don't really care about that, so I'm going to take all that off. There should be a big bracket piece under that I'm probably going to weld a piece or tie the piece into for the hydro, and then I got to remove that bottom portion thing right there. So there's a lot of stuff that has to come out, but it's all a bunch of little pieces, so it feels like a lot of work because you're ripping a bunch of like little pieces off. Like this right here would be like, let's say 3 pieces, and you'd feel like you took 3 pieces off, but then you look at it from back here and you're like, oh, I barely took like half of that off. So that's why I'm showing you guys, and to you guys it probably looks the same as the last clip, but I got the bottom or the rear portion of the carpet out. I got just about everything out now. Show you guys real quick what it all looks like. I even got the padding that goes down here out. Got the head lining or the whatever it's called off. That roof is so hot right now because it's black.
I still have to get a little bit of things out, like this little disc. It's not really doing anything. Rip all these wires out because I'm not going to be using any like sound system in here. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get rid of this because this is like the airbag module, and if I happen to like crash at the track for whatever reason, like a light crash or go off track or something, and that goes off, the airbag's gonna blow up in my face and that's gonna hurt. So I am probably gonna be getting a different steering wheel. I want to go like a quick release because looking at the way I'm mounting my seat, I'm mounting it really low and really close to the steering wheel, and I could barely get in with this steering wheel. And if I put a bigger steering wheel, which I like big steering wheels, I'm gonna need a quick release. So if I do that, there should be a video on that. So if you guys are looking into putting a quick release in your hard bodies, definitely stick around to see that. And then I'm probably gonna paint everything in here, but once I'm done with everything, once I remove all of this, just right now just getting all the interior pieces. But if anybody wants any of these interior pieces, they're not in the best condition. This is the head lining roof piece. This for a king cap. If anybody wants to try to do like a zebra print on here or something, and you guys don't want to mess up yours, you guys can come pick this up, try it on this, and if you like it, then you still have your stock headliner, your extra one. I got stock seats, I got everything. You guys can just hit me up on Instagram if you guys need anything. I have the carpets. Like I said, nothing's in that good of condition, but you guys can have it all. I don't really care. I'm just planning on throwing it away. So if it's useful for somebody, I'd rather some of you use it. But the only thing I think I'm going to be keeping is the passenger seat and possibly the driver's seat, just in case I ever want to take my bucket seat out. But the passenger seat, I'm going to keep it stock just in case I have some big passengers or some really small passengers. It fits all sizes. That's why I'm not putting a bucket seat over there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But if you guys want to see the bucket seat install, definitely subscribe because I'm working on that right now as we speak. Not the same clip, but yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to make this quick little video just to let you guys know that I am working on the truck now. My bad, this strap got stuck. I am working on the truck now, and I'm going full-fledged, doing as much as I can to get it ready for drifting and go practice drifting, because I went drifting the other day and it's a lot harder than it was in my 240. In my 240 I could slide back and forth and I felt pretty comfortable, but in this thing I'm not comfortable at all. Like it's like relearning how to walk or some shit. Like it's hard. But yeah, I suck. I'm trying to get better, so if you guys want to see, I'll be posting a lot more videos on this thing drifting and in action and pretty much everything I do to it. So yeah, I hope you guys found the video useful, maybe saw something that you wanted to see, how the truck looks without, you know, interior pieces. Maybe some of you guys want to do that to your street trucks. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.